Silvi.
Cyril Christos.
Atay President Silvi.
Maurice Mahan.
Okay, since this is our championship game, we shall now present the players of the two contending teams. Start now, the Morisca Grandmasters. We have Rondia Kathleen K. Reyes Jasmine. Tadeo Carlin Grace. And we have Nardo Altea Maris. And official coach for the Morisca Grandmasters, we have Ma'am Papaugan Claudine Dayan. Okay, yeah, ma'am. Representing players now, the senior risers. We have Oscar Pisa. Then we have the Poquito Hyacinth Road. Salisi Riza May. And we have Bacalaris Juana Dominic K. Then we have official coach from the senior writers, Sam Noel B. Mier. With his chaperone, Ma'am Vincent Mighty Mika Bani. So once again, we have the Samis of Oriental Morisca Grandmasters versus senior writers. And officials of the game, we have Sami City.
Joey Lastimosa.
Sir Joey Lastimosa. Richard Lastimosa. And from the MSA, we have I Nawalata. Okay, the players, let the game begin.
Sir, ang B ang miss or sir, video ang A, home ang
Shoot. 1-2. 1-0. May foul basket.
First team.
Foul Morisa.
First team foul.
Ilan na?
Third foul sa
Third mo. One pa, sir.
one foul. For 2. 1 point Morisa.
Shoot!
May shoot. May foul. Morisa.
Second team foul.
Second foul Morisa. Janggal baik. Terus. Position zero. Remaining time 6:49. Score 5-4. 0. Out of bounds. Position zero. Out of bounds. One Morisa.
5-4.
All five. Five shoot.
Like to shoot.
Five shoot. Where's the foul? Morisa.
Third team foul.
Third foul Morisa. Score all five. Oras na din 5:53. Shooting one, number 1. 1 point to go. Shooting 2. 2 points. Morisa. Shooting size. Morisa. 5 shoot. Basket.
Fourth team foul. Timeout.
Time out. Morisa. All 5, all 7. Ang score, Shitty, Nicolas. Oras, 5 minutes minutes and 30 seconds.
Ito naman sir.
Sika 3 pounds, 0, 40 pounds.
Kat mo sir, alam mo yun dito sir.
Oras pa.
Ito rin ito. Kung ano yun, ipagdala mo ka mga pagkaw. Buwa niya.
Dala naman po. Wilson.
Shooting one, number one. One point zero, 8-7-0. Time to shoot. Shut up, position zero. Time to shoot. Foul. What is that? Fifth personal team foul. Five team fouls. What is that? Shooting one. Zero. 1 point. 0, 9-7. Time to shoot. Everyone is ready. Time to shoot. Time to shoot. Zero. 5 to shoot. Five foul. Zero. Third, 3 foul, 0. We score 10-11. Ball is back. 4 minutes and 15 seconds. Shooting one. 1 point. What is that? Shooting two. 5. Second foul.
13
Zero.
po.
4 foul. 0. Five pound, 0. Score 10-12. What is that? Oras 4 minutes. 1 point. What is that? Five to shoot. Senior. Timeout.
16 foul CDO warning.
16 foul, 0. Warning for penalty. Score 10-13. What is that? Oras 3 minutes and 52 seconds. 2 shots. That's one. And warning. Warning for penalty. For the side. 6.
Basket na nila.
Wala.
1 point zero. Out of bounds for position. Silio. Score. Points increasing. 3 minutes and 17 seconds. Five to shoot. 4-2. 2 points to the start. 5 to shoot. 1 point, Silio. 5 to shoot. 14. 14. 5 to shoot. 42, Silio. Five to shoot. 18-13. Oras remaining 1 minute and 32 seconds. Penalty. What is that? So both teams, it's a penalty. Shooting on, 1 point. At 14-18. Remaining time, 1 minute and 26 seconds. Five to shoot. Out of bounds. Ball position. One is up. Penalty. Two shots. Five to shoot. Out of bounds for position. Morris Baka, 1 minute and 30 seconds. For two. Out of bounds. Ball position. Ball position Mugisca. Out is ball position Mugisca. 45 seconds. Five issue. Penalty. 20 seconds.
Ay, kayo. Ano nag-lapit lang ako? Shot sa gitin sir.
Shot, two kites na.
All ba kites ah? Okay. Yan, 8 man. 10 fouls na. Ilang fouls ma'am? 8 ma'am?
8.
Ay, 8 fouls na. 9 pa na. 9.